In order to implement the instructions of the leader of the nation, the President of the Republic of Tajikistan, Honorable Emir-Tour, to develop the tourism industry and present unique natural opportunities, the Committee for Tourist Development and the Government of the Republic of Tajikistan, in cooperation with the executive bodies of the state power of Dushanbe, Wahdat City, and the travel company Amir-Tour, organized an interesting and unforgettable fishing tour. This tour route began from the center of the capital near the Southern United States Academic Opera and Ballet Theater. From the first moments, tourists who were mostly foreign citizens were treated with high-level attention and hospitality. Representative of the travel company presented special signs to the participants and explained the tour program in detail.
And I have no experience about fishing, but it must be interesting. I chose Romit. I heard that Romit is a very beautiful place, and it's along the riverside. No, I heard that we can get trout.
Then the road of the tourists moved through the beautiful and picturesque streets of the Dushanbe towards Wahdat City. The captivating views of the capital and its order and cleanliness attracted the attention of the guests and left a good first impression in their hearts. Upon entering the legendary Romit Gorge, tourists felt themselves in the embrace of a unique and peaceful nature. The towering mountains, green forests, and clean air captivated every visitor. First, the guests visited one of the fish farms in the region, the clear ponds, where fish were growing in abundance, attracting the attention of the tourists. Here, each participant was given a fishing rod, and they enthusiastically began fishing. In a short time, the tourists managed to catch several fish. Moments of joy, laughter, and a sense of victory filled the air. For many of the guests, this experience was their first time and remained an unforgettable memory in their minds. After the work and exciting fishing, the tourists had lunch in one of the spacious and beautiful restaurants in the area. The most interesting moment of this part of the trip was that the guests were served the fish that they had caught themselves, cooked with great skill and a unique taste. This situation doubled the feeling of pride and satisfaction in the hearts of the tourists. Thus, a meaningful and memorable trip ended with good impressions, joy, excitement, and pleasant memories. The tourists returned to Dushanbe with high spirits and a sense of satisfaction, once again praising the natural beauty of Tajikistan, the hospitality of its people, and the country's vast tourist opportunities.